Welcome to Curious Pharma. Here in this particular lecture, we are going to cover the anti-cancer agents. Welcome to the classification series part 3A. In this lecture, in brief, we are going to cover what is a cancer, different types of cancers, cell cycle and its phases. First one, what is a cancer? A cancer is a progressive, persistent, perverted, means abnormal, purposeless, uncontrolled proliferation of tissue cells. That means uncontrolled division of the cells due to the mutations occurred in the cell DNA. This forms the tumor. In males, the lung cancer is prominent, and in females, breast cancer is prominent. Next, types of cancers. These types of cancers is based on the location of the cancer that was proliferated in the human body. See here, the cancer that occurs in the liver, kidney and heart and some major organs are called as the carcinoma. The cancer that occurs in the connective tissues is called as sarcoma, that means muscle, bones, etc. The cancer that occurs at the blood is called as the leukemia, and cancer that occurs at the lymph is called as lymphoma. Cancer occurs at immune system is called as myeloma, and germ cell cancer. That means this cancer occurs at the germ cell layers that are present in the reproductive tissues like ovaries, testes, etc. Here comes to the third part, cell cycle. It is most important because the anti-cancer drugs are based on the cell cycle. I means they act on the different phases of the cell cycle so that they will prevent the further proliferation of the uncontrolled division of cancerous cells. Here, to know where these drugs are used, we should know the cell cycle at first. Here we will see the mitosis, because our major part of our body consists of mitotic cell division. See, here we have 5 phases usually. G1, S, G2, M, G0. These are the major phases that are involved in the cell division of mitosis. First one, G1, is also called as pre-synthetic phase. S phase, it is also called as synthesis phase. G2 is also called as pre-mitotic phase. M phase is also called as mitosis phase or mitotic phase. G0 is called as gap phase. Gap. Here in each phase, the cell will do some particular functions. Here in the G1 phase, it is a preparative phase. Here, the cell gathers every content that is required for the mitotic cell division, like storing the amino acids, collecting the different types of amino acids, etc. And in the synthetic phase, it synthesizes the DNA. And in pre-mitotic phase, the synthesized DNA was aggregated. And in mitosis phase, it involves different steps like prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, etc. Here, in detailed description is not that much required here, so we'll go briefly. In G0 phase, it is a gap phase. That means no other cell function is going to happen in this G0 phase. Here, the anti-cancer drugs are classified based on which phase they are acting and halting the cell division. And also, some drugs will not act on specified phase, but combinedly they will act. Based on this, the first classification: cell cycle specific drugs, non-cell cycle specific drugs. This is the first ever classification of anti-cancer drugs. In the further upcoming lecture, part 3b, we are going to cover this classification in detail. Thank you.